What's good, YouTube? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to the Corey Ratcliffe Trading Channel. Sorry for my voice, guys. If you see jump cuts, it's because of my voice. I stayed home. I was sick today, man, but guess what? I still traded, man. We still got to make this money, man. I'm just blessed. I'm grateful, and I'm thankful, man. But I'm going to show the trade that I took today and then close out on my Sony camera and just give you guys my point of view and you know what I'm saying, what brought me to this. So I have 3 accounts now. We ended up getting a free account. It was a giveaway by Futures Kellyanne Trading. So now we have a 50K Tradeify account. We have a 50K My Funded Futures account, and we have a Top Step Combine 50K account. All these are trial accounts, so we're trying to get all these accounts funded. At the end of this video, I will be showing you the screenshot as you saw in the thumbnail, the account balance and where we're at. I'll show it to you again. But man, we're doing really good, man. We're just blessed. We're thankful. We're grateful, man. I don't want to get beside myself. I don't want to think I'm on a high horse. Hey, man, we just thankful. And I'm going to keep it that way. I want to remain humble. We made $1,032 in 1 day and an hour on this trade from all 3 accounts, guys. Man, I didn't expect gold to move like this. I was feeling sick this morning. And I said, you know what? I'm getting in this trade, man, whether I'm sick or not. What I've been looking at, guys, is on Wednesday, we tapped this line, and then it went to a consolidation, and then it tapped. I had it drawn up here somewhere. It barely didn't touch the trend line up here, but as you see, it came down. I was looking for the market on the daily to come to this zone right here. It didn't come all the way, but I saw something, and I'm gonna show you what I saw. So today's trade, the market didn't even come all the way down here to tap this demand zone. And keep this in line, keep this in mind right here. This is why I placed my trade. But last night, I was looking for the market to come down here and touch this demand zone and then take back off. Now, the market, for some odd reason, didn't come down and tap that demand zone. So I was like, okay, what is the market going to do, man? I don't want to get into a move to where, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to get caught in something and then, you know what I'm saying, it ended up going my way and then I get stopped out and then it take off. So my mind frame on this trade was, hey, we got that previous, I'm going to go back to the 4 hour. There's a reason why I drew this right here. We're going to focus on this. This was the previous high back in October. So I had already drawn that out. Now, the crazy thing was, you see the market went past it. It went into a consolidation, then it went up, almost barely touching this trend line, and then it came all the way back down past that same previous high. It's like it bounced off a little, it bounced off of it a little bit, but it went past it, then came back down past it, and then we went back up. So one thing that I was looking at that made sense to me, we didn't come touch this on the daily, the demand zone that I wanted, and I seen the market started to push back up. I was like, I don't know whether to get in or not, because this is considered a major zone because that was previous high, man. So my mindset was, I don't want to miss the move. I had thought about waiting. I thought that it was gonna come back down and then go up, retest, and then test this line and then come back down and grab my demand zone and then push off. So I'm like, oh my gosh, man, I don't know what to do, man. Now I'm gonna go to the 15-minute time frame. This is why I went in aggressive. I was looking for this white line. Now we go to the daily again. You see that same white line. We go to the 15-minute time frame. You'll see that white line. So I was basing this trade actually on the daily, the 1 hour, and the 15-minute time frame, and saw that we was pushing through the previous high. And then I went to the 15-minute time frame, and then this is what made more sense to me. So that white line again is that demand zone. What are we forming? We keep forming flags going to the upside, man. Just bear with me, guys. This is what I'm looking at. Flag. Then I see a smaller flag. Flag. So we never tapped this demand zone, but we're going to the upside. So I had been watching it. So we got flag, flag, got another flag. We just keep going up. So it's flag, 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 impulse, flag. Came back down just a little bit, but then went right back up and passed this flag. So this is where I got in at. So I placed my right there. Place that right there. This is what I was looking at. So I made a mistake. I had to go back and find out what time I actually placed this trade, because if you look in the left hand corner, I base all my trades off of XAU USD, and on my phones it's labeled as MGC. So I had to go back and kind of find out what I did. I'm like, I know this thing is probably finna go touch somewhere up here, but I don't know. I'm not for sure because we got a huge liquid zone right here. I'm like, I don't know if I want to play with that, man. So I had that in mind too, man. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to go for it. And then we were also hitting a supply zone right there. So one thing that made me exit out this trade was after I seen the market create this flag, go down, create another flag, I got in right here. This trade I placed at 5 a.m. and I got out up here at about 5:45. The reason why I got out, guys, and I didn't know that a flag was going to be created and then take off again, because this right here, guys, it would have been this trade, this full trade. Had I held this trade right here, roughly almost about $1,000 trade, somewhere in between $1,000 to $1,200. That would have been a nice trade, but I wasn't feeling good. I was ready to just grab my money and get out the markets. I had to take some medicine and stuff. My girls were getting ready for school. My wife was getting ready to leave. So I had a bunch of things going on, man. I was like, you know what? I'm finna just take my money and leave. And so I seen the market go after it created this flag. And then I had this right here. This is what made me get out of the trade. I just wanted to get my money and leave. So I saw that we went right past this this liquid zone. Once we got past this liquid zone, I ended up deleting that. Now I'm going off. This was my full TP. My full TP was up here. I didn't get the full TP because, you know, I had a bunch of things going on this morning. So, and this was in all three of my accounts, and I didn't know if I would get a rejection a little bit and then come down, but I was watching it really close, man. I wanted a quick $300. That's where my accounts were floating at. So after I seen the market get up to about right here, I started looking to the left. I saw the market over here about right here, and I noticed we started getting a rejection. It played around in this area for a while. So I'm like, all right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring my stop loss up here. Once it hit my stop loss, I'm out. I'm good. I done made my money. It was playing around this area for a while, and then it started rejecting. It came and stopped me out. Reject. And now you're seeing, now that I look out, if I zoom out of this, only thing we did was create a flag, push down, push up, create a flag, impulse. What is forming again? Another daggone flag. So we got impulse, correction, down a little bit, another push, correction, impulse, correction, impulse all the way to my TP where I had it at. But then the market decides to go touch this top trend line. Crazy, man. But like I said, I just wanted to grab my money and leave. I wasn't feeling too good, man. Yeah, guys, that's the trade, man. Now I'm going to show the screenshot of all my accounts. Now that you've seen the screenshot, guys, I'm going to switch to the other camera and address a little bit of other stuff, and we're going to end the video. Oh boy. Alright, I finally got this camera together, man. I'm not feeling too good, y'all, man. I keep coughing and my voice sound raspy and stuff, man, but nevertheless, man, I normally don't post a video during the week anymore because I just got a bunch of other things going on. I post only one day a week now to free me up. But I was off today. I said, hey, I might as well just post a video of this trade, man. Why not? But yeah, man, we made in all three accounts $300 or more. And all three accounts come up to $1,034 in profits today, man. I was just talking to Stephanie and Connor, my coaches, this morning. Guys, man, I'm very grateful and thankful, guys, man, because I have become a complete different trader, man. I have become almost a swing trader. I used to be just straight up supply and demand and on the 5-minute time frame. Now I'm noticing, guys, that all of my trades here lately, from journaling my trades, I'm placing most of my trades in Asia and London session, and they'll run through New York. I don't place really any more trades in New York session alone. All my trades here lately have been placed in Asia and run through London to New York, or I place the trade in London and run through New York. So, hey, my trading is completely different now. Shout out to Connor and Stephanie. They have really changed my mindset in the way I trade now and how I see the markets now. Not using any indicators. I don't go back to any indicators no more, man. I just straight up lines and charts, man, and blue lines and white lines now, man. And it works so much better for me now, man. I see the market so clearer, going to the higher time frames, starting with the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then the 15-minute time frame, like, has changed completely. Well, they say 180, I say 360. Yeah, man, that's today's trade, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey Ratcliffe Trading Guy coming out. Sorry I don't have the enthusiasm this morning. My throat is constantly hurting. I gotta get off this camera and drink some water or something. But I'm trying my best, guys. I'm still trying to put out content for you guys and show. I'm sick today. And then trading from my phones. And still made money, guys. It can be done. You can do all things through Christ which strengthens you, man. If you got God at the head, man, God will make everything else fall in line, guys, man. But you got to keep God first. You got to give God praise, the honor, and the glory he deserves, and read his word and praise and pray and fast. When you do that, God just make everything clearer for you, man. And that's exactly what's happening. I'm getting blessed. I'm highly favored. I just got a free account from another trader. I got a gift, a trading chart from somebody. I'm making profits. I'm doing good. I'm just expecting great things this year, man. Ever since the new year started, I'm up, man. And I want to continue to be humble and grateful and thankful, because the markets do have a way of grilling you and making you well done and burnt. I don't want to end up being burnt and grilled real bad. We want to be well done but juicy and tasty. We're gonna keep it like that, man. But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching, man. You got a video on the day that you normally don't get it on, man. But yeah, Peace, blessings, love y'all. God bless y'all. I can't do it as loud, but y'all know the motto. Y'all know what I do. I holla.
Yeah, sweet Jesus, I thank you for opening my eyes. Sweet Jesus, I thank you for giving me life. Sweet Jesus.